Good morning, welcome back to the channel. It's 6 a.m. I was hoping to get an early start climbing the mountain because there was a full moon, so I was hoping to get the first little bit in moonlight, but the moon has set behind the mountain, and so now it's pitch black again. But the sun will be coming up in about half an hour, so we'll be delayed. I'll start going as soon as there's twilight, and we'll start this long, grueling climb to get to the top of this peak. Well, I'm just going to get myself organized, drive to the parking area, and then hopefully by then we'll have some light. Okay, it's 7 o'clock. The sun comes up here super quick, so it's bright enough to get going now. It's 5 degrees right now, my truck says. Whew. But it won't be long before I'm going to be roasting in the sun. But right now, it's frigid. There's a better view. And I've only been hiking 10 minutes and I already got to take my long sleeve off. So the approach to the mountain is flat, but it's this soft, sandy stuff, so it's annoying because you sink in, wasting a lot of energy just to push off your steps. And I've made it to the sun line. So from here on out for the rest of the day, we'll be baking in the sun. I'm gonna go from my hands freezing to being way too hot. Well, this is no fun. It's volcanic rock that you take 2 steps forward and half a step back. Always good to pay attention to where you're walking in the desert. Ow, 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 ow. 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 Oh, that's in there. Ow. Ooh. Ooh. Ow. I got this one. I normally have tweezers with me. There's one I can't get out. 3 hours in and just about at the base of the rock scramble up into that valley, I assume, and then to the peak. Being so steep is bad enough, but it takes a crazy amount of extra energy because you keep slipping and having to try and hold yourself on this lava rubble. What the? I wouldn't believe it if I didn't see it. There is a tiny little patch of ice. Okay, well, after climbing for almost 5 hours, All Trails map ended, but the trail keeps going. The peak's up there. Spent about half an hour trying to find the trail, bushwhacking through all the cactus and stuff. I know there's a trail somewhere, but I can't find it. Anyways, I picked this little peak. I'm not far off, but fortunately, I failed in my quest to get to the top of Las Tres Virgenes. Still get a pretty awesome view though. Okay, not looking forward to the slog down and all the bouldering and loose shale for the first little bit. At least the last little bit will be fairly straightforward and easy. All right, hopefully I can get down in less than 5 hours. This is the good part of this stuff going down, because you can basically hop. And while you lose half a step going up, you gain a step or more going down. So that was 3.5 hours down, 5 up, 21.5 K, including extra bushwhacking for getting off the trail. I'm exhausted and thirsty. Ran out of water. But that's it for today, guys. I'm gonna clean myself up, maybe get 100K drive in. That'll put me, I think, about somewhere around 600K to the border. So I'm crossing the border by tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.